Welcome to my series here on how to make a movie using Microsoft Movie Maker. It's a free program which is available on Windows 7. You have to install the Microsoft Essentials package and then you can just use it. To start with, you can save your project. It's always a good idea to save a project and save it somewhere. So Movie Maker, add a video. In this case, I just go to where all my videos are saved, the directories. I save all my videos in their raw format to one place. When that's finished loading, to get the right order, which I put it into date order, and then I grab the video that I want to load. In which case, in this case, we're going to go with this race here, the New Hampshire Motor Speedway truck race. Now I want to add a front opening sequence to it. So I'll add the video. I'll go to where I saved this opening page, which in this case, in my Radical Racing thing, the cover that I've done just using Microsoft Paint is cover 6. I'm just going to drag that the other side. Hold on. Drag the other side so it puts it at the start of the timeline. It's just a picture. You can then choose how long you want to make it. So double click on that set of sequences, and we're going to make this 3 seconds long. And you see it shrinks it down. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the point of the race where it starts, because we don't need to have all the writing and stuff beforehand. Or the warm-up lap. No one wants to watch a warm-up lap. And here we are coming to the green flag just here. So we'll use the tool here that says split. So now right click on the bit I don't want and click remove, and that's removed it. So if we now play it, we get our opening sequence followed by the bit that we chopped it to. For the purpose of this video, we're only going to do the first few laps, so we'll then split it here as well and remove the rest of the race. So in this particular one is obviously it's a race. You can see the up and down bits there. That's obviously the sound during the race. So as it comes to that bit, you can see my spotter telling me something. If I want to put something in there, I'll just split that there, and then I'll go back to the home screen and I can add something else. So I might say I'm going to put in the table. Again, drag the resting section beyond it. So now during the race, if I play that, I might decide that I wanted to put in the league table just to show where we are, for instance. If I want this section to be a bit shorter, like I said, I double click on it and select and make that just 4 seconds long. If I wanted to do a transition, this one is called animation on here, and so I select the frame that I want to start, have the transition going to, and then I choose it. So now we have a look. We're going to then go from the racing, transition to the standings. And I can add a transition to this one as well. We'll go with that one, for instance.
2.313.
So racing, transition to standings, transition back to racing. We'll just cut some more of this off. Make it a bit of a smaller amount to deal with. So going back to the start here, if we now want to add some sound, we go to record narration. Now I seem to remember I had trouble with this before. I had to go to the options and then audio and video, and I had to make sure that my available audio devices was set to my microphone, otherwise it didn't record anything. So we then click the record narration and the record button. So here I can record some narration that will go onto the video. Click stop and save, and that places it down there. When I play it, so here I can record some narration that will go onto the video. And there you go. If you want to adjust the volume for that one, you double click on the narration, you see narration volume, and you can adjust the volume there. If you want to adjust the volume for the main video tools, edit, and then volume would be there. There's not much else that I've really done on here. That's pretty much how I've left it. Oh, there's another good. If I split that and then split that, I can say, yeah, this bit was a bit boring, and I can change that to times 16 speed. So we'll play that, and then it runs this bit very, very fast. Preview window only shows it quite jerkily, but once that's been compiled, then that will be a little bit more smoother. Or don't miss your breaking point, and then away we go to the rest of the race. What else is there to say? That's about it, really. I didn't really do much else on here. I didn't bother with any of the other settings or animations or anything like that, and that pretty much concludes what to do with it. Once you've saved that, you then save movie as, in this case, YouTube. Choose where you want to save it and what you want to call it. So we'll call this movie maker, and then save. That then saves that movie as we've set it up as, and once that's done, you just upload that to YouTube. Any questions? Put them in the comments, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Thanks for watching.